Hello, dear friends. Welcome again. Welcome to a new lecture of the aldehyde ketone and the carboxylic acid. Up to our previous lecture, we have completed the aldehyde and the ketone portion. Now we are going to start carboxylic acid. As we know, this chapter is divided in three parts: aldehyde, ketone, and the carboxylic acid. Aldehyde and ketone somehow parallel topic, but carboxylic acid is somehow differ on the basis of reactivity, on the basis of making, as well as on the basis of physical properties. So but before that, uses of the aldehyde and ketones are given here, जो last lecture से बाकी रह गया था. Maybe some possibility only for the MCQ. Here there is no writing question from the uses of the aldehyde and ketone, and as well as particular for this year, not a part for the NCERT board exam. This topic, uses of the aldehyde and ketone, is out of syllabus. So if you go for the JEE NEET or any other competitive exam, then it is useful to you. Otherwise, you can neglect this topic. So in chemical industry, aldehydes and the ketones are used as a solvent, starting material in some reactions, and the reagent for the synthesis of other product. For example, a well-known and usable solution called formaldehyde is nothing but the 14 percentage dilute solution of the formaldehyde, which is known as a formalin. और इसका यूज दोस्तों हम कहाँ पे करते हैं? टू प्रिजर्व द बायोलॉजिकल synthesis. Okay. Solution used to preserve the biological specimens and the prepare. Okay. Again, formaldehyde is not a formalin. Here, formaldehyde. Okay, formaldehyde is used to make a bakelite, which we learn in the polymer chapter. Now, not a part for the board exam, but yes, this topic you already learned. To make a bakelite, which is phenol formaldehyde resin. Another polymer, which is known as a urea formaldehyde glow. Other polymeric product. So that are the use for the aldehyde. Now for the ketone. Okay, another aldehyde. Acetaldehyde is used as a primary starting material in the manufacturing of acetic acid और कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, जो हमारा नया पोर्शन अभी पढ़ना है वहां पे आएगा. इथाइल एसीटेट, विनाइल एसीटेट, polymers, drugs. Benzaldehyde is used in the perfume industry and even in the dye industry. Okay, so dyeing industry and the perfume industry के लिए दोस्तों benzaldehyde एक usable solution है. एसीटोन वेल नोन सोलवेंट, सबसे ज्यादा यूज होने वाले सोलवेंट में से एक दोस्तों एसीटोन है. एंड इथाइल मिथाइल कीटोन आर कॉमन इंडस्ट्रियल सोलवेंट. Okay, acetone is actually methyl ketone, or we can say dimethyl ketone, and this is CH3 dual bond OC2H5, which is ethyl methyl ketone, actually butane 2,1. Acetone is propane 2,1 and ethyl methyl ketone is butane 2,1. Many aldehyde and ketone like butyraldehyde, vanillin, acetophenone, camphor. Okay, camphor जिसको अभी के दिनों में आप ज्यादा केस में यूज कर रहे हो, are well known by their odors as well as their flavors. Okay, so there is some possibility for MCQ. There is no writing question from this topic. So अगर बोर्ड एग्जाम ही देनी है देन इसका आपको कोई कम नहीं है. इफ यू गो फॉर द कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम, रट्टा मार लो एक बार. Now finally we go for the carboxylic acid. Okay, just we are starting from the history of the carboxylic acid. नेमिंग ऑफ दी सी ड्यूअल बॉन्ड ओ एच इज कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. हम इसको सलमान खान क्यों नहीं बोलते? द रीजन इज देयर इज वन कार्बोनिल ग्रुप. Carbonyl group. From the carbonyl group, carbo is there. Another reactive functional group is, here you can see OH, which is hydroxyl. So which is hydroxyl. Carbonyl and hydroxyl combinedly we can say that is carboxylic acid. So इस तरह से हम लिखते हैं सी ड्यूअल बॉन्ड सी डबल ओ एच by structure C dual bond OH, that is the carboxylic acid. Okay, some basic things about carboxylic acid which may be useful for the MCQ. There is no possibility for the writing question. So carbon compound containing carboxylic acid functional group, which is C dual bond OH, are called or known as the carboxylic acid. The carboxylic group consists a carbonyl group attached to the hydroxyl group. As we already discussed, C dual bond O, which is carboxylic carbonyl, and OH is the hydroxyl group. Hence, it name carbonyl. Carboxylic acid may be aliphatic or may be aromatic. If this C dual bond OH is attached to the aliphatic chain, then this is aliphatic carboxylic acid. At the same time, if C dual bond OH carboxylic acid group is attached to the aromatic chain like benzene, then they are known as the aromatic carboxylic acid. Large number of carboxylic acid are found in nature. Some higher member of aliphatic carboxylic acid like C12 to C18 are known as a fatty acid. ज्यादा नंबर वाले या फिर ज्यादा कार्बन वाले कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड को हम फैटी एसिड कहते हैं. ऑलरेडी दोस्तों आगे के चैप्टर में हमने इसका डिस्कशन किया था. There occurs in natural fats ester of glycerol, triglyceride ester. Carboxylic acid serve as a starting material for several other important organic compounds such as anhydride, ester, acid chloride, amide, etc. If you want to make anhydride, then you have to take a help of carboxylic acid. At the same time, for the ester, again carboxylic acid is useful. For the acid chloride, we just have to replace hydroxyl group by the halogen. So for Cl, that is acid chloride, as well as if you're going to replace hydroxyl by the amine group, then it is being a amide. So useful solution or useful compounds are carboxylic acid. Just pause the video or repeat the video and make the note of this basic topic. Then we go further. Then nomenclature and the structures of the carboxylic acid group. In an initial base, there is no need of the IUPAC nomenclature. In a starting, some carboxylic acids are naming, or we can say named by their structures or by their sources, कहाँ से मिलता है, or by them taste. For example, HC dual bond OH is known as a formic acid because इसका एक्सट्रैक्शन कहाँ से था, फॉर्माइका. फॉर्माइका is nothing but the फॉर्माइका क्या है दोस्तों, आप सबको पता है. जब एक बार कांटा लगेगा तो पता चलेगा. ओके. Then butyric acid, which we can obtain from the butyraldehyde. Caproic acid, 6-member dual carboxylic acid. C dual bond OH, then CH2 4 times, then again C dual bond OH, which can be obtained by the body of the capper. In a Greek Latin word, English word for capper is nothing but the goat. Gujarati ma bakri. Okay. So this is all about the common nomenclature. ओके. कॉमन नोमेनक्लेचर दोस्तों एक लिमिट तक ठीक था, बट देन इतने सारे कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड का फॉर्मेशन हुआ, देन देयर इज सम नीड फॉर द नोमेनक्लेचर. देन IUPAC nomenclature is there. So IUPAC nomenclature of the carboxylic acid, again this is the topic for the revision, not for the learning. Already you learn in the 11th science IUPAC nomenclature of the organic compound. इन दैट टॉपिक आपने इंडिविजुअली कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड का नोमेनक्लेचर भी पढ़ा है, but still I'm going to revise some examples, not go for the rules. You just have to remember. CH3C dual bond OH, sir, this is acidic acid. Here you can make a mistake. This is not acidic acid. Yes, this is acidic acid as a common nomenclature. If you go for the IUPAC nomenclature, this is 1 and 2 carbon, it means ethane. Then oic acid, then ethanoic acid. Okay, this is ethanoic acid. Suppose CH3CCl CH dual bond OH, then you can say 1 and 2 at the position 2 chlorine is there, so we have to say 2 chloro, total number of carbon 1 2 and 3, so 2 chloropropanoic acid. Okay, ये आपने ऑलरेडी पढ़ा था. उसके अलावा आपने ये पढ़ा था, if number of carboxylic acid group is 1 or 2, then carbon from the carboxylic acid chain is the part of the main chain. For example, CH3, sorry, not CH3, CH2, C dual bond OH, C dual bond OH. Okay. Here 2 carboxylic acids groups are there. So ये दोनों कार्बन मेन चेन के पार्टिसिपेंट है. So 1, 2 and 3. This is propane. Then 1,3 dioic acid. But if number of carboxylic acid group is more than 2, then cannot be a part of the main chain. For example, suppose this is CH2 with C dual bond OH is there, then CH, C dual bond OH is there, then again CH, C double bond OH, and CH2 C dual bond OH. So you can say यहाँ पे number of carboxylic acid group कितने हैं? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So they cannot be a part of the main chain. So we have to numbering and decide the main carbon chain. Okay, आप कहीं से भी numbering start करो, you will get a set of 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. If I'm starting from the left side, then at the number 1, one C dual bond OH is there. At the number 2, 2 carboxylic acid group. At the number 3, one more carboxylic acid group is there. There is no hydrogen. Otherwise this carbon be a pentavalent, that is not possible. So here is no hydrogen. मैं cancel कर रहा हूँ. Only C. Okay. Now अगर इसका nomenclature करना है, this could be your main chain, that is propane. So you have to write propane. After that numbering करना है 1, 2, 2 and the 3. It means tetra. Tetra के बाद क्या आएगा? Carboxylic acid group. Here we cannot use oic acid. Oic acid कब use होगा? When the carbon from the carboxylic acid is the part of the main chain. Otherwise you have to write it down like carboxylic acid. So यहाँ पे carboxylic acid होगा. Another example where you have to use a carboxylic acid in place of oic acid. This is the example. This is cyclopropane. Total number of carbon 3, 1, 2 and 3. So propane 3 carbon, it means propane in a cyclic chain. So we have to write cyclopropane. After the cyclopropane, I cannot write oic acid. I have to write carboxylic acid. The reason behind this is, क्या होगा reason? That carbon from this carboxylic acid group is not a part of the main chain. Main chain is only 3 carbon chain. ये सभी रूल दोस्तों जो मैं अभी आपको एग्जांपल करा रहा हूँ ऑलरेडी 11th में पढ़ा है. वीडियो पॉज करना है, 11th की आपकी नोट्स निकालनी है, रिवाइज करना है, देन फिर से यही एग्जांपल को परफॉर्म करना है. Here we have some important example with the common name as well as IUPAC name. In your homework आपको क्या करना है? You have just write down the structure first. ये structure लिखने के बाद आपको क्या करना है? You have to try इसका common name क्या होगा याद करना है. That is formic acid which you know. What is the IUPAC name? इसके लिए दोस्तों टेक्स्ट बुक का यूज नहीं करना है. You have to make a name of this compound by yourself because आप already ये पढ़ चुके हो. This could be methanoic acid, right? Second, this is acetic acid as a common name. IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. Clear? This could be propanoic acid. 3 carbons are there. So this is propanoic acid. As a common name, propanoic acid as well as the IUPAC name. Again propanoic acid. Okay. Total number of carbon 4. So butane plus oic acid. This could be butanoic acid as a IUPAC name. But कॉमन नेम ऑफ दिस एसिड इज फ्रॉम द सोर्स. कहां से पहली बार इसको एक्सट्रैक्ट किया था? फ्रॉम द बटर. सो दिस कुड बी ब्यूटेरिक एसिड एज अ कॉमन नेम. 5 carbon, that is isobutyric acid. Total number of carbon is 5, but at the second last carbon one methyl group is there. You have to imagine the structure of this group. इसका structure क्या हो सकता है? Like this. Suppose this is CH, then C dual bond OH, then 2 times of methyl, CH3 and CH3. So you can say total number of carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the second last carbon one methyl group is there. So we can say this is the isobutyl or isobutyric acid. By IUPAC name we have to give a numbering 1, 2 and 3. At the position 2 one methyl group is there. So 2 methyl propanoic acid. This is 2 methyl propanoic acid. Ethane dioic acid, oxalic acid is nothing but the ethane dioic acid. Additionally, you can write it down number also here. Ethane 1,2-dioic acid, because these are the number. 2 carboxylic acid group are there. If 1 or 2 carboxylic acid group is there, then carbon of the carbonyl group is the part of the main chain. So ये दोनों main chain के part है. Only 2 carbons. That's why ethane dioic acid. This could be 1, 2, 3. Propane trioic acid. You can say propane trioic acid, which is known as the malonic acid. Then 2 times CH2, C dual bond OH, CH2, CH2, C dual bond OH, malonic acid, succinic acid, glutaric acid, adipic acid. IUPAC नाम को आपको पता है. बट इसके यहाँ पे पर्टिकुलर दोस्तों फ्रॉम दी ऑक्जेलिक एसिड टू फ्रॉम दी एडिपिक एसिड, आपको इसके कॉमन डायोइक एसिड के कॉमन नेम भी याद रखना है बिकॉज ऑलरेडी एग्जाम में आ चुके हैं. सो क्या हो सकता है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी ड्यूल बॉन्ड ओ एच एंड सी ड्यूल बॉन्ड ओ एच, टू कार्बन, it means ethane dioic acid which is known as a adipic acid, known as the adipic acid. C dual bond OH as it is, one more methylene group is between both carboxylic acid group than malonic acid. If two times C dual bond OH as it is, two times of methyl CH2 CH2, C dual bond OH, then succinic acid. C dual bond OH again as it is, three times of methylene group CH2 CH2 CH2, then C dual bond OH, then this is glutaric acid. Then if C dual bond OH as it is, four times CH2 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 C dual bond OH, then this is adipic acid. ये कॉमन नेम आप याद कैसे रखोगे? यू जस्ट हैव टू रिमेंबर वन फॉर्मूला, दैट इज ओ माय स्वीट green apple. Okay, and you remember the whole series of the dioic acid. O stand for the oxalic acid, my stand for the malonic acid, sweet stand for the succinic acid, G or we can say green stand for the glutaric acid and adipic acid. Moreover, अगर आपको एडिशनली कोई ये पूछता है C dual bond OH then 5 times CH2 then C dual bond OH, heptane dioic acid is nothing but the, उसके लिए दोस्तों आपको क्या करना है? आपको याद रखना है ओ माई स्वीट ग्रीन एप्पल एंड पाइन एप्पल. एप्पल भी खाना है और पाइन एप्पल भी खाना है because name of the carboxylic acid with the two carboxylic acid group at the terminal stage and total 5 methylene group is there. उसका नाम क्या हो सकता है? फाइंड इट आउट. इसका IUPAC नाम या फिर यस इसका कॉमन नेम आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. यू कैन टेक हेल्प ऑफ गूगल एंड रिप्लाई मी वाया व्हाट्सएप पर्सनली. ओके, this is the silent homework for you guys. Okay, so there are some more aromatic examples are there. Benzene carboxylic acid, इसका IUPAC नेम होना चाहिए. 6 carbon ring, benzene ring and the C dual bond OH. This carbon from the carbonyl group is not a part of the benzene ring, so this could be carboxylic acid और IUPAC नेम होना चाहिए benzene carboxylic acid. बट IUPAC वाले बड़े ही दयालु है, इन लोगों ने दोस्तों इसका बेंजोइक एसिड नाम एक्सेप्ट किया है. So we can use benzoic acid here. Here 1 and 2 at the position 2 phenyl group is there. So this could be 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. Okay, then यहाँ पे दोस्तों 2 carboxylic acid group are there. So benzene 1,2 dicarboxylic acid, which is known as a phthalic acid. Sir, ये pathalic है? No, this is not a pathalic. This is only etheric. pH is silent like me. मेरे जैसा. Okay, so this could be phthalic acid. इसके अलावा आपको और एक होमवर्क करना है. Suppose वो phthalic acid है. Again I repeat, not a pathalic. Then ये क्या है? Well, second one, इसको क्या कहोगे? If on the para position 2 carboxylic acid groups are there. So this could be homework for you guys. इसके common नाम benzoic acid and the phenyl acetic acid. This is phenyl and this is acetic acid. Okay. So ये lecture में दोस्तों initial basic step ही है about the carboxylic acid. कुछ ज़्यादा बातें नहीं करनी है बट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो ठीक से पढ़ना है, नोट्स बनानी है, इसके अकॉर्डिंग कोई MCQ मिले उसको सॉल्व करना है. Structure of the carboxylic acid which can be useful to you for the MCQ. So again, carbonyl carbon is C dual bond O and OH. Here यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन भी हो सकता है, कार्बन भी हो सकता है. So one dual bond is there, so we can say hybridization of this carbonyl carbon is sp2. It means there is the possibility for the 120 bond angle. Sorry, here is the structure. So bond angle कितना हो सकता है? Maybe 120. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Resonance is there. So carboxylic acid की अगर resonance stability देखनी है, we can say in comparison to sigma bond, this pi bond is somehow weaker. So easily break it down. Because of higher electronegativity, the side electron of the carbon and oxygen goes to the oxygen. So oxygen become minus. But the valency of the carbon is vacant. So this second oxygen is go for the help and donate its electron and make a new dual bond over here. Here you can see this is the new dual bond. At this time, this oxygen become minus, this become plus. Again, return policy, same structure. फिर से ये दोनों के बीच में दोस्तों रेजोनेंस इतनी ज्यादा बार होगा एट द एंड. If you want to draw a mediator structure, then you can draw like this. This bracket line is to indication for the resonance. Okay. We have some index question particular for the homework. मैं दोस्तों इसमें से कुछ नहीं कराने जा रहा हूँ. You have to give IUPAC ने. मैं just आपको आपकी ये हेल्प कर सकता हूँ. इसका स्ट्रक्चर क्या हो सकता है? From this structure, you can able to make a naming. So this pH is stand for the phenyl ring, like this. Okay. So in the place of pH आप इस तरह से लिख सकते हो. This is your structure. Okay. Second one. Again CH3 twice with the C dual bond. Okay. This is C with the CH3 and this CH3. Then dual bond hydrogen. Then C dual bond OH. Alkene group is there, but more reactive group is carboxylic acid. So numbering start from the carbon of the carboxylic acid. Okay. Rest is for you. Again, C dual bond OH with the cyclic system. So numbering start from the carbon in which carboxylic acid group is there. So at the position 2 methyl, then cyclopentane carboxylic acid. क्या होगा? 2 methyl cyclopentane carboxylic acid. Okay, this is benzoic acid. A benzoic acid. If you go right hand side or left hand side, no matter. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Your side should be 2, 4, 6. So this is 2,4,6 trinitrobenzoic acid or 2,4,6 trinitrobenzene carboxylic acid. So ये आपको करना था, मैंने बता दिया. In a homework, you have to complete the name of this compound. Now, main question for today's lecture, that is method for the preparation of the carboxylic acid. We are going to discuss two method for the carboxylic acid. Rest उसके बाकी की दोस्तों हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में पढ़ेंगे. Okay, so if you want to make carboxylic acid from the primary alcohol or from the aldehyde. दोस्तों अल्कोहल चैप्टर में आपने ऑलरेडी पढ़ा था और कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड में भी पढ़ा था. That primary alcohol with the strong oxidizing agent, you will get carboxylic acid. But before that, in between, that primary alcohol is converted into aldehyde for a few minutes or for a while. Then this aldehyde is ready to oxidize और उसका carboxylic acid बनेगा. So from the primary aldehyde or from primary alcohol or aldehyde, you will get carboxylic acid. So ये already दोस्तों हो चुका है. This is just a revision for you. ये आगे के चैप्टर में हुआ था. अल्कोहल फिनोल ईथर में प्राइमरी अल्कोहल वाला पढ़ा था और यही चैप्टर में हमने एल्डिहाइड की बात की थी. ओके. Primary alcohols are readily oxidized to carboxylic acid with a common oxidizing agent such as potassium permanganate, no matter in the neutral form or acidic or basic. बट उसके कंपैरिजन में दोस्तों वहां पे प्रोडक्ट में थोड़ा बहुत चेंज हो सकता है, क्वांटिटी चेंज हो सकती है. और in the place of KMnO4 you can take potassium dichromate or we can take chromium trioxide in the acidic media which is known as a Jones reagent. Here you can see this is the primary alcohol, alkaline KMnO4. In the second step H2 is there, H3O plus, it stands for the H plus and the H2. At the end we will get carboxylic acid. याद रखना दोस्तों, यहाँ पे बीच में पहले बनेगा aldehyde then carboxylic acid. Second, again primary alcohol, this is Jones reagent as we discussed. So this CH2OH becomes CHO. Here you can, sorry, C dual bond OH. Okay, so decanoic acid, because there are 10 carbons, so this is decanoic acid. Carboxylic acids are also prepared by aldehyde by the use of mild oxidizing agent. Section 12.4 में already पढ़ चुके हैं in the NCERT textbook. So in the homework आपको दोस्तों ये लिखना नहीं है, but compulsory अभी यहीं पे वीडियो पोस्ट करके वो पोर्शन एक बार रिवाइज करना है. If it is okay, then आगे बढ़ना है. If it is not okay, तो उसको पहले कंप्लीट करो If any query, you can contact me. Otherwise, you can go further. Second making of the carboxylic acid. Particular, we are go for the benzoic acid, not particularly, but majority case में यहाँ पे हम benzoic acid की बात करने वाले हैं. Okay, from the alkyl benzenes. Alkyl benzene से दो possibility बनती है. Suppose with the benzene ring C dual bond OH is there, और बीच में एक या दो या फिर ज्यादा कार्बन हो सकते हैं, then carboxylic acid. So इसकी पॉसिबिलिटी कम है, उसका डिस्कशन भी नहीं है, नॉट इन आवर सिलेबस. बट यस, यहाँ पे कोई भी अल्काइल चेन हो, वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड फॉर्म. दैट्स इट. सो aromatic carboxylic acids can be prepared by the vigorous oxidation of the alkyl benzene with the chromic acid. What is chromic acid? H2CrO4. We already discussed in the past chapter. और एसिडिक और अल्कलाइन पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट KMnO4. The entire side chain is oxidized. No matter दोस्तों, अगर वहां पे यहाँ पे only methyl group है with the benzene ring, this is toluene or methyl benzene, convert into benzoic acid. Suppose in place of methyl, if there is propyl, तभी दोस्तों यही प्रोडक्ट मिलेगी. If there is butyl, यही प्रोडक्ट मिलेगी. Only one condition एक आपको याद रखनी है, जो भी कार्बन डायरेक्टली एरोमेटिक रिंग से जुड़ा है उसके पास मिनिमम एक हाइड्रोजन होना चाहिए. बाकी की कोई भी कार्बन चेन हो, अगर मिनिमम एक हाइड्रोजन है, देन दिस कुड बी सी ड्यूअल बॉन्ड OH. बाकी के कार्बन को हम कैसे नेगोशिएट करेंगे? इन दी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फॉर्म. लेट अस सी कैसे हो सकता है. द एंटायर साइड चेन इज ऑक्सीडाइज्ड टू द कार्बोनिल ग्रुप irrespective of length of the side chain. कितनी भी हो, doesn't matter. Primary and secondary alkyl groups are oxidized in the manner while tertiary group is not affected. What is the reason behind this? If we thinking about the tertiary alkyl chain with the benzene ring like this, suppose this is carbon and there are 1, 2 and 3 carbons. It means there is no hydrogen with this carbon. मैंने यहाँ पे आपको बताया था, minimum 1 hydrogen is required. ओके, सो यहाँ पे अगर एक भी हाइड्रोजन नहीं है, इट क्लियरली मीन्स यहाँ पे क्या हो सकता है, हमको कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड नहीं मिल सकता. बट एक दो कार्बन चेन है, इट मीन्स 1 हाइड्रोजन. 1 कार्बन चेन, इट मीन्स 2 हाइड्रोजन. ओनली मिथाइल, इट मीन्स 3 हाइड्रोजन. इजिली कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड हो सकता है. ओके, लेट्स गो फॉर द एग्जांपल. आपको इसके लिए कुछ और भी रिफर करना होगा. यूनिट 13 ऑफ द 11th हाइड्रोकार्बन में दोस्तों एरिन पोर्शन था, वहां पे आपकी मिथाइल बेंजीन की या फिर अल्काइल बेंजीन की केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज थी. सो 11 से ये आपको थोड़ा रिवाइज करना होगा. ओके, सो सपोज दिस इज द मिथाइल बेंजीन in presence of KOH reaction with the KMnO4, or we can say alkaline KMnO4. This CH3 is going to convert into C dual bond OK, potassium salt of the benzoic acid. Then replacement of the K plus via H plus, and finally we will get benzoic acid. Then CH2 CH2 CH3, again alkaline KOH. This become okay. कितने भी कार्बन है, डजेंट मैटर. यहाँ पे होगा क्या एक्चुअली दोस्तों, देखो ये कार्बन का बनेगा ट्वाइस CO2 और बाकी के जो हाइड्रोजन है वो निकलेगा एज H2O. सपोज यहाँ पे कितने हाइड्रोजन है, 2 + 2 4 + 3 7, और यहाँ पे चाहिए कितने एट द एंड, एक ही चाहिए होगा. सो बाकी के हाइड्रोजन क्या बनेंगे, एज H2O फॉर्म में निकलेंगे. सो यहाँ पे इन दी ऑक्सीडेशन एक्चुअली ऑक्सीजन यूज होगा, कुछ यहाँ पे ऐड हो गए, बाकी के का CO2 बनाने में और H2O बनाने में यूज आएंगे, हो जाएंगे. और एट द एंड पोटेशियम सोल्ट से हमको मिलेगा कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, Mn2 से बेंजोइक एसिड. ओके, बट अगर दोस्तों यहाँ पे याद रखना, अगर यहाँ पे आइसोप्रोपाइल बेंजीन है, इफ आइसोप्रोपाइल बेंजीन इज देयर, एंड दोस्तों ये रिएक्शन नहीं हो सकती बिकॉज देयर इज नो हाइड्रोजन. याद रखना है. आई होप आज का लेक्चर सबको समझ में आया होगा. इफ एनी क्वेरी यू कैन कॉन्टेक्ट मी. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में. टिल देन घर पे रहिए, सेफ रहिए, पढ़ते रहिए.